Clive into his first billfish. That means that everyone on the trip has now hooked into a billfish. Let's let Clive get in here first. Right, now I'm going to go off and chase him. See if we can chase it down. He's got a bit of a wind on there. Windy, windy. Sorry, what did you say? A good fish. Clive now getting rigged up with a harness. A little bit of assistance. Turner reckons it looks like a nice fish. So the fish has gone down deep. We'll come back to you in a couple of minutes. Yeah. I'll just come back to you because there's another one finning right here on the surface.
Where's the hand line?
What's wrong with the gaff? What's wrong with the gaff?
Turn on!
Yeah, it's still there.
Marlin!
Still there.
Big fish as well.
In the meantime, we just had a bit of fun watching another marlin swimming past the boat. Now that we've got all the lines in, and there's nothing we can do about it. Clive's fish still down at the bottom of the ocean somewhere, so we'll come back to you later. Right, back and again. Clive looks like the fish is starting to come up towards the surface. And we're backing down on it. Clive's starting to gain a little bit of line now. And he's getting some good line going there, getting some good line. Fish coming up towards the surface. I think it's actually coming up to talk to its mate who's lying just over there. Looks like still down a little bit, so we'll come back in a minute. And 10 minutes into the flight, fish down deep, line just popped. We're reeling in at the moment to see what happened. And it's definitely gone. lure is still intact, looks like it just popped.